Students, in this video, we shall discuss role of agriculture in the Indian economy. As we know that agriculture has been the backbone of Indian economy. Although its share in the GDP, that means gross domestic product, is declining. In 2010 and 11, about 52% of the total workforce of Indian economy was employed in agriculture sector. Considering the importance of agriculture in India, the government of India made efforts to modernize Indian agriculture. As a result, ICAR, that means Indian Council of Agricultural Research, was set up in India. Agricultural universities, animal breeding centers, horticulture development, research and development in the fields of weather forecast, etc. were given priority so that India could improve its agriculture sector. The growth rate in agriculture sector is decreasing, which is an alarming situation. Further, Indian farmers are facing a big challenge from international competition. Subsidy on fertilizers is decreasing day by day. It has led to increase in the cost of production. Further reduction in import duties on agriculture products have created competition for agriculture sector of India. As a result, farmers are withdrawing their investment from agriculture sector. Next topic is impact of globalization on agriculture. First of all, we should know what is the meaning of globalization. Globalization means the linking of nations through trade, information, technologies, and communication. In other words, interlinking one country's economy with world economy is called globalization. Globalization is not a new phenomenon. It was there at the time of colonization. In the 19th century, when European traders came to India, at that time also Indian spices were exported to different parts of the world. During the British period, cotton belts of India attracted the British and ultimately cotton was exported to Britain as a raw material for their textile industries. Under globalization, especially after 1990, the farmers in India are facing new challenges. Now Indian products are forced to compete with the products of developed nations. As a result, Indian agriculture is facing a great problem. Farmers are facing stiff competition. Their production cost is rising. Hence, Indian agriculture finds itself at the crossroads. If we want to make Indian agriculture successful and profitable, proper emphasis should be given to the improvement of the condition of small farmers. To avoid overuse of fertilizers, organic farmer, in other words, organic farming is becoming popular day by day. One more problem which Indian agriculture is facing is small size of land holdings. Further, if we want to get profit, then Indian farmers should diversify their cropping pattern from cereals to high-value crops. This will help in increase incomes and reduce environmental degradation. Fruits, medicinal herbs, flowers, vegetables, biodiesel crops such as jatropha and jojoba needs less irrigation than other crops such as rice or sugarcane. Farmers can produce these crops to get more profits. In this way, Indian agriculture can be improved. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. That is www.youtube.com Ram Sharma Live. Thank you.